We're learning through examples. We are seeing and we are doing. Here we're going to see an example on related party accrual to cash exception. So we're dealing with cash and accrual basis and dealing with a cash basis individual taxpayer who owns 60% of Airplane, a C corporation. Now, Airplane uses the accrual method of accounting and owes the taxpayer $6,000 for consulting fees incurred during year one. In year two, 1/3 of this expense was paid and reported as income by the taxpayer. What amount of this expense may Airplane deduct for year two? Interesting point. Now, this is obviously related party dealing with a 60% owner here. The rule here is that expenses owed by an accrual basis corporation to a cash basis shareholder who owns at least 50% of the corporation's stock, which makes them a related party, are not deductible by the corporation until the expense is actually paid in cash to the shareholder. Now, this is really, before even going through the numbers, I just want to talk about why we're doing this because I always like the answer to the why. The related party accrual to cash exception, this is going to prevent an accrual basis corporation from deducting certain expenses owed to a cash basis shareholder until the expense is actually paid in cash to the shareholder. This is to prevent any tax manipulation. Obviously, if you're a related party, if you have a controlling interest in this entity, you could manipulate your own taxable income, your deductible expenses, anything like that. So here, dealing with the actual math, since 1/3 of the $6,000 consulting fee expense was paid in year two, Airplane can deduct the paid portion from its taxable income for that year. In this case, $6,000 times 1 divided by 3 gives you $2,000. So Airplane may deduct $2,000 for year two, as this is the amount that's actually paid in cash to the shareholder. We don't want to inflate any deductions or reduce any income past what the IRS allows us to do.
Hey there! Are you ready to not only pass your CPA exams, but truly understand and enjoy the material while studying? I know it seems impossible, right? Especially to enjoy the material? We'll do it together. Tap into the power of CPA.examprep.ai, where we've got personalized quizzes, multiple choice questions, memorization guides, flashcards, simulations, all tailored to your learning. Our adaptive study planning puts you on the fastest path to success and lifts you back up if you fall behind. Avoid wasting your precious time and money attempting an exam with a low chance of passing, because who wants that? We want to get you through this process as quick as possible. Our exam readiness prediction lets you walk in with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for success on exam day. Thankfully, there's no payment method needed to get started, so why don't you come join us? Visit cpa.examprep.ai and let's achieve your exam success together.